We start with getting clarity on what our mission is. And for us, what that means is we define and clarify what the overall city mission is, how each department fits into that mission with their own definition of mission. And then we break their mission down into what we're calling mission elements, so that each department has a mission. That mission is achieved through their mission elements. The mission elements are, and we're really not talking about poetry when we're talking about the mission statement. We're talking about the really basics of what is our core mission. What is it we really want to achieve? So each department has a mission statement with core mission. We take that and operationalize the mission by creating a business plan. The business plan is designed around the mission elements, the core mission elements of each department. So with the mission, or with the business plan, we define what it is we're going to do. Every manager ought to be able to answer some basic questions. What are you going to do? Why are you going to do it? When are you going to get it done? Who's going to get it done? What's it going to cost? Those are all basic questions that our business plan answers. Then what we've done is we've created a system for making sure that we achieve what's in the business plan. So we take a detailed business plan and basically automate it. We put it into a process, a system that we've created. We call it our quick base system. It keeps track of all of the actionable items in the business plan. For Corpus Christi, that's between about 5,000 actionable items a year throughout the city that we monitor. And we watch that. Each department head, each assistant city manager, myself, we watch that on a weekly basis to make sure that those actionable items in the business plan are being achieved as time goes on. As part of the business plan, not only do we keep track of the actionable items, but there are performance measures that we use to judge the quality of the performance that we're working on. And we've created what we call the city performance report for that. And that's mostly automated. It comes out of our work planning and work order systems and our automated reporting systems that are already in place. We've just kind of consolidated that information into one place. So we have the CPR, the City Performance Report, that relates back to the business plan and the mission. And that is actually a real-time report. It's a real-time report that is updated continuously. It's like a dashboard. You can go in and look at it at any time and see where we're at in terms of our actual performance. Right now we're using that to update the City Council every week. We have a different department come in and talk about their city performance report so that the council knows what's happening. It's available online. The council can look at the entire report anytime, as can any citizen or staff member. It's very transparent. So we know where we're at in terms of our performance. Now when you think about it, those things come back to the basic cyclical elements of how to manage, and that is we evaluate the CPR and the quick base report allows us to evaluate our work. It compares to the plan. If we have to adjust after we've evaluated, we modify the plan and then we execute. And one of the key parts of execution is to know is accountability. Who's going to do what by when? And all of these tools help us achieve that entire process.